Hey, what's up? It's your favorite cuz Merv, and in today's episode, I'm going to be visiting my old hood, Blacktown, and I'm here for a food truck adventure at Crispy Crib Food Truck. Stay tuned. Crispy Crib burger. What is it? Just the original chicken?
No, it's more like a chicken schnitzel on a.
Oh, just and burger style and Korean style.
Yeah.
That's all Korean style. Cool.
Korean inspired, yeah.
How long you guys been here for?
More than 2 years.
Oh shit, eh? Oh, okay. I was only visiting like the Asian market,
Oh, yeah.
and then I stumbled along, and I was like, oh shit, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Give you guys a try. Can I get the Crispy Crib burger?
Yeah, burger it is.
That's awesome. I'm excited about this. I just stumbled upon this food truck. I was going to the Asian market, buying some Asian snacks, especially Filipino snacks. And then I, came across this. How good is that? And now I'm gonna have this crispy schnitzel chicken, Korean style. Oh wow. Can you guys hear that crunch? Oh wow. Whoa. This Korean inspired burger, very tasty, very crispy, nice and crunchy. Chicken is juicy, and I like the not over the top lettuce with some pickles and onions. It's got mayo and that cheese. Oh man, nicely melted, and it's like glue that holds this burger together. Oh wow. Oh man, I'm so glad I stumbled upon this food truck. This one's a good find. But the staff was telling me they've been here for 2 years, so they've been here a while, but I haven't been in Blacktown for ages, cuz it's good to be back in the hood. The chips are good too. Nice and soft, and there's some crunchy parts as well. Can you guys hear that through the microphone? If not, you're missing out. The chips are nicely salted. Oh man. Very good to eat. With this crispy, tasty, juicy burger. Nicely squished. They give you a good portion of the chicken too. These guys don't hold out. And that's good to know. Oh wow. Wow. Sometimes for dinner It's just like a nice simple snack. Can't get simpler than this. Burger with chips. The drink I had to get from the Asian supermarket because I was trying to get a smoothie here, but I guess they ran out. It's all good. Come back next time. That's the thing with food trucks though. When certain dishes are sold out, that's just how it is, you know. First come, first serve. Got to be in it to win it. You got a nice selection of food to choose from, but I just wanted something simple and effective, and this burger is doing just that. Oh wow. Oh yeah, just trying to vlog, yeah. I think that was the owner. Good to come to Blacktown, eat some nice Korean fried chicken, burger styles. This hits me hard, it's nice. This caravan is nicely situated right next to the old Blacktown ice rink, so you can't miss it. Near the station too. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I'll put it on YouTube. Yeah. The owner just asked me about my YouTube channel. I'm gonna write it down for him to view later. He's gonna be busy cooking up, so. I like how burgers, it doesn't have to be over the top. It can be nice and simple. And again, sometimes simple is effective, and it usually is. Now with this one, you don't have to do too much to this. You know, not many condiments, just keep it simple, and that's how it is. That's how it is. That's how you keep them coming. Easy does it. And you know what's cool? I got to share this with you. And all this for only 10 bucks. Come on, man. Now that's a bargain. And if you're a bargain hunter, you should be hunting here. So, not only is this snack cheap, it's deliciously effective. Trust me. If you don't, I'll shout you a meal, okay? If you're a burger fan, if you love Korean food, let me know in the comment section below. If you love Korean food and burgers, then this is the perfect combination for you. Hey, did I make you hungry? If I did, write it down in the comment section below. And if I didn't, I'm just gonna have to try much harder. And as always, thanks for watching my vlog, and I'll see you in the next episode. And remember, shut up and eat. Let's go.